It's your boy back at it again with another video. Today, you know, we got a little something going on. I've been wanting to do this for a while, but never really had the time, you know, due to like schools and all that stuff. So, you know, kind of got around this today. I don't got much to do today, so I was like, okay, let me just get it out the way. What we got going on, I'm about to show you right now so y'all can just get it out the way, is I'll be doing my engine bay. I'll be painting my engine bay different color. So right now what I'm doing is just getting everything situated out the way. I was planning on taking out the engine, but that's really gonna take a while, and I really don't have that much time because I have to go back to school in like a couple of weeks. So might as well get it done right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you the process, what I got, what I should have got done off camera as of right now. So you know what I'm saying. So right here is the engine bay. You know, this is so far how far I went into it. I went and took the fuse box out and everything. Got that out the way. Got the power steering reservoir in here. Got this out and kind of went to go ahead and took the bumper out, lights and everything. Honestly, I thought about, like I said, taking the engine out and all that stuff and doing the whole complete thing, but I really don't have the time. So right now I kind of just want to give it this little, you know what I'm saying, little distant look. So yeah, so far I went and kind of like washed it down a little bit, trying to take a whole bunch of like dust and like, you know, like right here see a whole bunch of like the old paint and stuff like that, and a whole bunch of grease and stuff that I have under it. So like I was saying, I went and did everything that I was supposed to do right now. Went and kind of like wash it down a little bit to go to the dirt and the dust and stuff that the car had in the engine bay. Took front bumper and everything's taken out. My only concern right now would be my air conditioner line. So, cause I don't know what I want to do with it. I don't know if I have a way that I can just move it out the way, or I might have to just kind of like paint around it and kind of just like do something about it, because this is what's going on right now. I might gonna have to go ahead and just find a way to just either move it in or do something. But so far this is what it is. I gotta go ahead and move this out the way. Yeah, so far that's as far as I got right now. I'm gonna go ahead and continue to clean this up and remove everything that I can out the way. I gotta find a way to take this out the way as well, because it's just in the way right now. So, and one thing I'm not sure is if I want to take the fenders off, you know, so I could just paint everything, or I'm just gonna just kind of like tape all around it and cover everything, which I would do anyways. But yeah, so far this is all I got, and yeah, I'm gonna continue to start taking stuff apart and just put it where it needs to go. So there it is, y'all. After 2-3 coats of the blue, you know what I'm saying, just a little glitter just for y'all, you know what I'm saying. Thing looking mighty sexy, mighty fine. You already know. This looks so good. No, you ain't ready. Yes, a lot of stuff is overspray, but hey, let me do my thing. Stop complaining. I'm not no pro at this. Let me continue to do my thing, because I'm still gonna make it happen. I already know. I hope you enjoy this and all the stuff. I'm about to continue and do the other side. Still got one more coat going out on that side. Then I should be able to put everything on there and put the glitter on there. This idea, I don't even know. It came to my head. I saw some stuff. Actually, this is my mama's stuff. Makeup stuff. I just found it. I didn't ask. I took it. Then you already know. It's already on the course. So if anything happens, y'all already know. If I die, disappear, y'all already know what happened. But it's cool. You know what I'm saying? We get in there. Engine bay looking mighty sexy right now. Still got to do a lot of clean, overspray and all that stuff, but I'll handle that with time. But enjoyed it. What's up with it, y'all? Back at it again, like I was saying. I'll show you the engine bay, how it's looking. I'm gonna go ahead and apply. I've waited like a good 30 minutes or so. I'm not sure if I should wait more, but starting to get a little dark or whatever, so I'm gonna go ahead and see, put y'all down and see if I can find a way to set y'all up. And I'm gonna go ahead and start with the like I was saying, I'm gonna go ahead and put the clear coat. I bought the regular clear coat, is the acrylic one. It's a restoring, so I guess it could work. Possibly, possibly not. So let's hope it works. Cause I really don't want to do this again. And it looks way too good the way it looks right now for me to just fuck it up even more. So let me go ahead and apply this and see how it goes. So bring the phone like that and show it. Put it on. So I applied the first coat of clear on this right here. Trying to see if it will react okay or not, because I honestly don't want to fuck it up or anything like that. But after right now, it's looking pretty good, pretty matte. So I'm gonna put y'all right back down over here. Hold it right here. Alright, yeah, so that was the first coat of clear. I spread it kind of heavy because, you know, I was looking at somebody that did it, and he kind of did it that way. So you know, I went and did it exactly the same way he did it. So hopefully it comes out nice and it looks, I mean, as of right now, it looks pretty decent. Can't even complain. Ooh, look at what's turtlets over here and shit. But it's looking pretty good. Can't complain. So let's see how it goes. Be back in a second. So I want to spray the second coat of the clear coat, and it's looking pretty good. Can't complain. It's looking way too good.